Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a common issue that many R developers face when using Visual Studio Code, or Vscode for short. Have you ever tried to access our help documents within Vscode, only to be met with an error message saying, Vscode cannot access our help documents? If so, you're not alone. This problem can be frustrating and hinder your productivity. In this video, we'll explore the reasons behind this issue, provide a clear explanation of what's going on, and offer some solutions to get you back up and running. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how our help documents work within Vscode and be able to troubleshoot similar issues in the future. So why can't Vscode access our help documents to understand this issue? Let's first talk about how our help documents are structured. In R, help documents are stored as a collection of HTML files, which are used to display documentation for various packages and functions. When you try to access an R help document within Vscode, it attempts to render the corresponding HTML file. However, Vscode has its own way of handling HTML content, which can sometimes conflict with how R expects these documents to be rendered. This is where the issue arises. The error message, Vscode cannot access our help documents, typically indicates that there's a problem with how Vscode is trying to render the HTML content. One common reason for this issue is that the RTools extension in Vscode might not be configured correctly. The RTools extension provides features like syntax, highlighting, debugging, and code completion for R developers. However, if it's not set up properly, it can cause issues with accessing help documents. Another possible reason is that there might be a problem with the HTML content itself. Perhaps the HTML file is corrupted or contains invalid markup. In this case, Vscode will struggle to render the document correctly. To resolve this issue, you'll need to investigate and address these potential problems. You can start by checking your RTools extension configuration and ensuring that it's set up correctly. You might also want to try updating the extension to the latest version or reinstalling it altogether. If the issue persists, you can try inspecting the HTML content of the help document using a tool like the Chrome DevTool. This will allow you to see if there are any errors in the HTML markup that could be causing the problem. So, what have we learned in summary? The Vscode cannot access our help documents error typically occurs when Vscode has trouble rendering the HTML content of an R help document. Common causes include misconfigured RTools, extension, or problems with the HTML content itself. To resolve the issue, you'll need to investigate and address these potential problems. That's it for today's video. If you've been struggling with accessing R help documents in Vscode, we hope this explanation has helped clarify things for you. Remember, troubleshooting issues like this is all about identifying the root cause of the problem and addressing it accordingly. If you have any questions or need further clarification on anything, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and consider subscribing for more content on R development and Vscode. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.